Have you ever been in a tight spot, looked at your Venmo debit card, and wondered, can I overdraft with this? It's a question many of us have, especially when our balance is running low and that one last purchase is staring us down. Venmo has become a go-to for so many, from splitting dinner with friends to paying for your morning coffee. But unlike traditional bank accounts that often come with the option to overdraft for a fee, Venmo operates a little differently. The simple, direct answer is no, you cannot overdraft your Venmo debit card. This might be a surprise to some, but it's a core feature of how Venmo works. The Venmo debit card is a prepaid card, and it can only access the funds you have available in your Venmo balance. If your purchase amount is greater than your current balance, the transaction will be declined. It's a built-in safeguard to prevent you from spending money you don't have. This can be a good thing, right? It helps you stay on budget and avoids those pesky overdraft fees that can add up fast with a traditional bank. Now, what happens if you try to make a purchase that exceeds your Venmo balance? The transaction will simply be rejected. It's the same as trying to use a gift card with a $5 balance to make a $10 purchase. The good news is, Venmo offers a few ways to add funds to your account. You can link a bank account or a credit card to instantly add money, or you can receive money from friends and family. Venmo also has a feature called Reload, which can automatically add a small amount from your linked bank account to your Venmo balance if it drops below a certain threshold, but this is an opt-in feature and isn't an overdraft in the traditional sense. It's just a way to keep your balance topped up. So, while the lack of an overdraft option might seem like a limitation, think of it as a tool for financial discipline. It forces you to be mindful of your spending and keeps you from falling into the cycle of overdraft debt. The Venmo debit card is designed for the here and now, for the funds you have readily available, and that's exactly what makes it a simple and straightforward tool for your everyday transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.